how to make it through in 2021. Hey legends! Anyone else ready to making a rebound regardless of what's happening around the world? Today I want to share with you some of my tips with you that I have learned when it comes to goal setting and making dreams come true. Now, if you don't know me, I'm a huge lover of self-transformation and goal setting. I do believe that if you don't take charge in your life, nothing can ever happen. Welcome to School of Elegance, my darling legends. My name is Vivian Carlson and I'm here to guide you forward when it comes to self-transformation and becoming the best version of yourself. On my channel, I help women around the world navigate a successful life in a high society key in order to achieve elegance, sophistication, grace, and poise. And if you are interested in this kind of topics, maybe creating change in your life and making your new affluent and elite life happen, then subscribe to my channel so that you can get noticed each time a new video is uploaded. Legends, who else is sick of things being put on hold because of the pandemic? Who else is sick and tired of being sick and tired? I know that the year 2020 was a challenge to most of us and a year that was hard to accomplish prosperity. Not everyone, but the majority. And who knows how 2021 will end? Well, I'm here to tell you that we are not giving up and we can't lose hope regardless of the situation in the world continues. Because I want all of us to live the life that we are meant to live. Legends, I'm telling you, when I walk out, I want to be an example of you can start from wherever and get to wherever you want to get to. With all that being said, let's get started with our number one on the list. Time. Legends, I have learned that time is precious. So what are those things that you are doing in your life that you need to stop with immediate effect? Are you spending your time with people who don't add value to your life? Are you spending time with people that you don't share the same life goals? Are you spending time watching 7 episodes of a show every week, such as the Kardashian trends? Legends, this is not time to be a fan. Are you spending time on video games or so? Are you spending time on social media, scrolling into other people's perfect lives? Well, guess what, legends? Eventually, time not spent on learning skills will catch up with you, and the fail will be more painful. Legends, you need to stop this in order to take back full control of your life, because your new life is going to require your undivided attention. Number 2, honesty. Be honest with yourself. Ask yourself questions such as, who are you? What do you really want out of life? What are my dreams and how are they achievable? What will it take to get all you want from life? How can you get what you want from life? How can you get to be where you want to be in life? What are the obstacles in your life? What are your options? What motivates you? What do you do best? What do you think is your calling? Asking yourself questions allows you to dive deeper past the surface level answers to the ones that will produce the most results. Number 3, the willingness. More than that, the eagerness to maintain, to get all you want from life, deliberately, wisely. Once upon a time, I remember my mom told me, every time you want something and you don't get it, you don't want it enough. See, legends, you must sit in the driver's seat of your own life, or life will drive you if you aren't. Number 4, self-discipline or self-control. Taking possession of your own mind. Discipline attracts opportunities. Opportunity is always looking for ambition and action. Discipline taps unlimited power of commitment. Motivation is just part of the formula, and winners, we don't need motivation. Winners need a strictest sort of discipline. Legends, how tall can a tree grow? Well, as tall as it can. So try your level best always and leave the rest to the Almighty. Ask yourself, how hungry are you for change, success, or whatever that it is you want out of life. How badly do you want it? Define a definite purpose and pursue the definite purpose with a burning desire. I will give you an example. At the beginning of the year, lots of us have goals, what we call New Year's resolutions. Let's say your New Year's resolution is to make more money or get your body in shape. So what tends to happen? You get yourself a gym membership, you buy yourself a gym gear, you get to YouTube and subscribe to all fitness channels. You go to Instagram, follow all fitness channels. You are all inspired and motivated. You then start going to the gym, as your plan is to get in shape, right, legends? But what you are forgetting in mind is that these people you are following have been going to the gym for more than 5 years to look the way they do. Most cases, if you want to have a well-trained body shape, this will need you to train twice a day and 6 times a week. Furthermore, you are pre-planned. You don't eat according to taste, but rather you eat according to function. It's important to have a stronger commitment to see things through, because discipline works miracles. In addition, persistence is key in any pursuit. Number 5, the past. This may include anger, sickness, resentment, disappointment, whether with our parents, spouse, job, a career, all inner battles that we are fighting and holding in. Don't allow your past to control your presence or your future. Whatever that happened, say to yourself, it is what it is. Now what am I going to do about it? What can I learn from it? Leave all the pain behind. Whatever it is that gives you sleepless nights, leave the darkness behind so that it doesn't block the light in your future. I recommend to commit to an emotional detox. Find all things that have caused you to become hard, things that have ruined your confidence and self-esteem, things that maybe hold your guard up. Write them down, acknowledge the feelings. Allow yourself to be soft again, to love again, to be light-hearted, because I'll tell you that these are the most key components of leveling up, legends. So accept, forgive, and let go. I strongly advise you to seek therapy if you can. Alternatively, read books, or even more, meditation works miracles too. Number 6, other people's opinions or people's pleasing. The need to fit in can cause you to travel down paths you don't want to travel. People pleasing is a curse that should be avoided at all costs. Before you do something, always ask yourself, am I doing this because I want to do it, or is it because of my fear of judgment from others if I don't? Learn to say no. No is a complete sentence. You don't have to justify every decision you make and ask for others' approval. Legends, don't dim your light in order to fit into the dull background of other people's lives. The ones who are meant for you will shine with you, and besides, people come and go. Number 7, a positive mental attitude. Your mental attitude is a medium by which you can balance your life and your relationship to people and circumstances to attract what you desire. A positive attitude is infectious, but a negative attitude all the more so. Remember the saying, be careful what you set your heart upon, for will surely be yours. Words are powerful, so use them wisely. Let's say you want to buy a land and build your own house, but to buy and build your own house costs 7 million. And in your account you have 70,000, or let's say you even don't have food home. It's impossible, right? Impossible. In your mind at the time, you will think it's not impossible, but you are forgetting that the moment you say it's not impossible, you are saying I don't want it. You are creating a desire of wanting something, and at the same time, you are saying I don't want it. So in this conflict, it may not happen. Don't project on yourself limited beliefs. Remember, what a mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Dare to dream, and dream big. Wherever focus goes, energy follows. There is nothing you cannot do or nothing good you cannot have, and no one you cannot become if you believe in yourself. If you believe anything is possible, everything becomes possible. I strongly recommend to start with affirmations. Affirmations are one of my favorite ways to reprogram my brain. It goes off the premises that if you repeat something enough, you start to believe it. I have found this to be true in my own life. There are so many affirmations I like to use on a daily basis, but here are a few of my favorites. I control my life. My life doesn't control me. I do whatever I set my mind to. I am blessed. Good people and good things are attracted to me. I am worthy and enough. I am worthy of more health and more wealth. My life is full of prosperity and abundance. Add a no matter what. This is a mindset hack I like to use whenever I feel unmotivated to tackle my hardest to-dos. Number 8, self-improvement. Growth in yourself eventually leads you to new opportunities. Take massive action. Decide now, decide promptly. The universe loves speed. And remember, growth is optional. Because legends, let's say if you plant roses, what will you harvest? Roses, right? But if you don't plant anything, what will you harvest? Nothing, right? You see, failure is when you don't even try. And remember, doing nothing is no longer an option. Number 9, planning. Create a vision board, rather it be on your phone or laptop or an actual vision board. An organized plan is necessary to be successful. Let's say things you want to achieve in life, places you want to visit, the kind of relationship you want, etc., etc. I believe your mind must arrive your destination before your life does. Legends, you must have some kind of vision for your life even if you don't have a plan. You must have a direction in which you choose to go. To become wealthy, you will need to start a wealthy plan. If you are ill, then you will need to start a healthy plan. If you don't have energy, then start an energy plan. If you don't feel good, then start a feel-good plan. If you are not smart, then start a how to be smart plan. Maybe you need to start thinking outside of your box, but you need to start. It all starts with your legends. Number 10, be mindful of people you hang around. Now this is similar to our number 1. You can't keep dancing with the devil and still ask yourself, why am I still in hell? I prefer loneliness over useless company. My circle is small by choice. Legends, I will tell you this. If you allow someone to waste 10 minutes of your time, 8 minutes is your fault. If there is one thing that you would take with you from this video, let it be this. So be picky with your clothes, friends, and time. Cut off dead ends for growth, and we are not just talking hair here. We are talking about people, things, places, etc., etc. I believe the fastest way to change yourself is to hang around with people who are already the way you want to be. Follow YouTube channels that talk about what you want to become, or follow people that mentor you and influence you. The people we surround ourselves with, they either raise our standard or lower our standards. They either help us become the best version of ourselves or drain us down. We become like our friends. No man becomes great on his or her own. The people around them help make them great. We all need people in our lives who raise our standards, remind us of our essential purpose, and challenges us to become the best version of ourselves. Number 11, go after dreams, not people, and never look back. It's nothing there for you. As simple as that. Number 12, learning from adversity and defeat. Every adversity you meet carries with a seed of equivalent of greater benefit. If you can look at a problem as a temporary setback and stepping stone to success, you will come to believe that the only limitations you have are the ones in your mind. Besides, nobody is successful all the time with everything they try to do. A cowboy says, fall off the horse 7 times and you'll be a real cowboy. Celebrate all your achievements and failures. It is the ups and downs that proves we've truly lived. To be honest with you, I love suffering in the way that is competitive and in a way that brings out the best in me. So I'm telling you, don't be afraid of doubling up your failures and embrace the no's. Number 13, stop comparing yourself with other girls. Legends, there will always be someone prettier than you, but your value doesn't decrease just because someone is unable to see your uniqueness. And lastly, take risks. With risks comes with fire, a burning push to keep you moving. Sometimes the change you are scared of can be your best breakthrough. I mean, legends, you don't want to be a fish trying to climb a tree when you can swim better in water Most times, if you change, everything will change for you. To have more, you simply have to become more. Change environment, change job if you must, change your circle, change habits, or whatever that needs to be changed. Imagine these legends. If you really loved yourself, how different could your life be? Just close your eyes for a second and imagine that. Well, I can't help it, but I want to win so bad. And I hope all my legends feel the same way. With the right choices, life can be best. Now, don't play with your future. For elegance's sake, be ambitious, get things done, keep your priorities straight, your mind right, head up, because what you hold back from life, life holds back from you. We can't keep cheating on ourselves now. Let's stay on top of our game and get what we desire and deserve. And don't forget to stop and admire the little things in life. No matter how busy you are, always work to live, not live to work. Learn how to work harder on yourself than you work hard at the job. Because I am telling you that if you work hard on your job, you will earn a living, that's for sure. But if you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune. Once you get that, your life will turn around. With the coronavirus period, we have all learned that there is no such thing as a job security. You want to become an entrepreneur? Now, create something you love. Even if you have a job, create your side something just for you. Things have changed and we have to change too. Kindly comment down below if there is any steps that you are taking yourself that I have not mentioned. Perhaps we can all learn from one another. And if you find this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share with friends. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one, how to lead a happy, healthy, successful and motivated life. Until then, hey do!